Hi, YouTube. We're so late today. But it is what it is. We're adapting. We adapt, we overcome. All right? This is our ethos as software developers. Guys, I can't wait to code again. I miss it. I'm delegating, okay? We're overcoming all of our shortcomings. My major one is not delegating. Hello, creature. My tiny dancer. Hello. Hello, doggy. Hello. She got her little head wedged. All right. Alrighty. I can't even see you yet. Sorry. It's all a lie. None of it's real anymore, is it? Oh, right. I should go live on Twitch. I was like, why isn't anybody here in Twitch yet? I'm like, oh, right. Well. I have a live audience in person. The dog. Okay. Guys, I have so many fun videos coming for you. I'm so excited. I gotta fix my audio right now. All right. We're set. We're doing a late night stream. Yeah. Guys, I'm so freaking busy right now. You don't even know. As I spent, listen, one of my videos is half an hour. It took me, I think I spent like 24 hours editing it. It took so long. And I'm fast at editing. Little would you know. But damn, man. I've made almost five videos for you though now. So we're getting back in the groove, okay? So I can lock in. I'm going to be coding the next couple weeks. I'm not going to be doing any content. I'm just going to be coding and you guys are going to be getting, I'll be feeding you content from the past, from the future, not from the future, for the past. I'm hyped for the Emacs video. I've already copied all the i3 config. That's all I'm missing. I'm still trying to figure out the order of which I should release my videos. I gotta double check if the Emacs one, I think the ordering of the Emacs one could make sense. Yo, low level, how's it going? Yeah, we are. This is like, I needed this. I'm so ready for just like nice chill coding sesh. Are you for real? This could fix me. This could heal. Heals the soul. Who the freak gifted a gifted sub to generative, okay? Listen, I was struggling to say generative AI yesterday. Is someone freaking trolling me? Are you for real? All right. Let me switch. Wait, can I switch my controls over yet? No, because I'm scuffed. I got to keep my keyboard on this machine right now. Yo, Chris, thank you so much for the raid. What the heck? I feel like this is probably the first time in so long that I'm live after you. How's it going? How have you been? What you working on? Dude, how's you've been at oh my god, why am I forgetting? It makes me think of a squid. Get Kraken. You've been at Get Kraken for a while. How's it going? How you liking it? How's life? I was like, it's something, it's almost a squid, but it's not. Guys, I'm such a visual creature. Enjoying DevRel? Yo, how's your split for DevRel? Like in terms of work. If you are interested in talking, you might like just want to, I mean, you know, don't let me hold you hostage in the chat. If you're tired, I know some people, speaking for myself, I raid and I'm like, I gotta go. I gotta lie down. Okay. We're about to release GitBench, which is an LLM benchmark for Git things. What does that even mean? Is it like tracking AI usage in your Git for Git operations? What is that? What does this mean? LLM benchmark for Git things. Okay, wait. Guys, I live under a rock, so we're gonna, yeah, I'm like, this is a lot of, it's in a different sphere. LLM benchmark for Git. What would that even mean? LLM leaderboard. Is it like a benchmark like artificial analysis? Oh. Huh, that's so interesting. Interesting. Hi, YouTube. I didn't forget about YouTube this time. They're the first chat I popped out. Betrayed. Secretly betrayed. Yeah, we're going to work on the Rust shell. Guys, I haven't touched it since the last time I streamed. I've been so... You don't even know. I don't even know how to explain what I get up to in a day. Because I'm always on here and I'm like, I'm so busy. And they're like, Bash, you're not even fucking employed. Like, what do you got to be busy with? Like, you know? I'm like, am I a joke to you? I don't know what I got to be busy with. Freaking learning how to run a business is hard. Yo, Owen, how's it going? How's it going? It's wild how many little things add up in a day. No, 100%. 100%. I need to figure out, okay, my goal for the next little bit is I got to figure out how I can like protect my coding time. Cause sometimes I just get like overwhelmed or like a little bit, not even overwhelmed, but just like overworked and then tired. And then it's like, I'm like, okay, well, the coding thing isn't what's making me money right now. I should focus on like the tasks that I like absolutely have to get done so that I can circle back to what makes me happy. But then I'm like, yeah, I gotta stop I'm delegating. Okay. I successfully delegated this week, which is huge and it helped a lot. So I think delegating is the play. And maybe we figure out how to monetize software. You guys, I'm putting together a team of the most elite of all of you, okay? The most elite team. The A team, some would say. Yo, Abu, thank you so much for the 6 months. I appreciate it. Thank you. It's okay being crazy applying to jobs and stuff, non-tech. Wait, what? What do you mean? Are you pivoting from dev jobs to something else? Tap me and coach. Let's go. Taking 15-minute naps or walks helps. Difficult to do on a stream though. Yeah, I know. That is the one thing. I'm like, if I'm streaming, it's pretty like full on, you know? Can't take breaks. Can't show weakness, okay? Need to raid and run though. DevRel meet up in Bellevue. Yo, nice. Enjoy. Do you think we're going somewhere? What are you doing? What are you doing? You just got a little tail. He's staring at me. Hi. She might want something to chew on. She likes a bully stick. Yeah, it's so hard in tech right now. No one's hiring in my country in Ireland. So I got to pay the bills somehow, dude. Yeah. Feel that. You know what? We got to pay those freaking bills. Sometimes you got to do what you got to do, pay the bills. That's like, I know some people that are like working somewhere that they don't really align with the product and stuff, but they're really talented developers And they're just like, you know what? I'm just going to go. I'm going to get that bag and I'm going to have zero attachment to my job. Oh, my rent is insane. That's so stressful. That's so stressful when it's like the base costs are high. Oh my God, these past 2 weeks have been brutal with the heat and being in a 100+ degree trailer drains me. I am so like you know what? I think the most Canadian thing about me is that I'm such a baby with heat. I am like, I visit somewhere tropical and I'm like, I can't work. I can't work in these conditions. I don't know how people live in tropical climates all the time. I'm so productive when it's cold out. I'm like, can't do it. Even in the summer in Canada, I get FOMO. I'm like, I could be outside in the sunshine. I could be warm. Where I'm melting at 26 degrees today. Yeah, that's hot. Doesn't snow enough in New York. I wish that anytime it was cold enough to snow, that it snowed. It should always snow when it's cold enough to snow. It's good for morale. Okay, people that commute hate me. They hate that I just said that. We're from Canada, West Coast, best coast. Hey. They're like, yeah, just drink water. Nah, there's no way. You got to be taking like you got to actually. I do feel like if you're in 100-degree heat, it's when you got to lock in on like the those like the tech bros online that are like, I will never age. I wake up at 5 a.m. and I take 20 supplements and I take a cold shower to feel something. You got to be on that kind of schedule. You know, you're like hydration maxing. You're taking a lot of cold showers. And the supplements, I don't know. You can just sleep longer. You deserve to sleep. Sleep is so good for you. Oh, man. Yeah, sleep is so important. What do you do for work? This is my job. Y'all are my boss. A stream streak? Yo, 3-stream streak. Let's go. Let's freaking go. Me at 4 a.m. listening to this advice, nodding. I wake up at 2 a.m. until 5, take a nap, then go back to work. Honestly, valid. Sometimes you just got to be awake. Sometimes you're just so productive when you know that the rest of the world is asleep. It's like there's nothing else. There's no communications you need to respond to. You don't owe anyone anything, okay? It's like you get to just do everything you want. 1 a.m. is peak, yeah. Sometimes I find my schedule alternates, like changes drastically with the seasons. I think like summertime, I'm much more of an early riser. But I think again, because it's like Canada, the sunrise is at like 5 a.m. and then it sets at like 10 or later. So it's like you kind of have to get up. You have to go to bed early because there's so few hours of darkness. You need to maximize it, okay? So summer I like waking up early, but then in the winter I'll go full degen. I'm like, it's been dark since 4. I'm ready. I've been locked in. I'm super productive at night, but there's no one to code review. You just queue it up for the next day. They wake up and it's just everything. But yeah, you're right. If you get blocked by that, that's brutal. Martini, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. And Salty, thank you for the Prime. Yippee! Oh. Queuing only works if the code works. You didn't check if the code worked before making the PR? What do you mean? Nice shirt. Yo, thank you. It's a Mogul Moves shirt. Yo, hey chicken. Bok, bok, bok. Hello. Our pet chicken is in the chat now. We needed this. We needed this win. Where can I buy it? That is a good question. Is it? I don't know if you can buy this specific one. Is that the only? I think it's only on like ludwig.gg. I almost mistyped it. Okay. I think that's where you can buy it. It's Ludwig merch. The yard changed me. Our review process more of a rubber stamp. I haven't gotten in our dev env yet. What does that even mean? Wait, is this big tech shenanigans? What are they doing over there? What does that even mean? I checked my clock when I saw the YouTube notification. I thought it was just the recording. No, we're live late today. I've chosen Degen prime time. Corvette says, when I don't have a main contractor job, I'll stay up for like 17 hours every other day. Usually, I think. Probably insomnia. Yeah, it's probably stress. As a Brazilian, the sunlight in Canada sounds crazy to me. Yeah, it's so inconsistent. I think it's part of why a lot of people struggle in the summer or in the winter because it's just so dark. I struggle, I think, more in the summer because I get like overstimulated. It's like you're trying to chill, you're trying to relax, unwind, maybe like light a candle, have a chill, you know, read a book, whatever. You're trying to chill out, and it's like 9:30. You're going to bed soon. It looks like it's 5 p.m. Where can I get that t-shirt? It's only, I think, from Ludwig. It's one of Ludwig's merch drops. I don't know how to get this one specifically. It's one of the older ones. All right. Should we do some coding? All of my devices have disconnected. What's the freaking point? No. How have you been? I've been pretty good. I've been really busy. I'm slowly figuring out how to be a business bunny. Yay. Okay, my keyboard's connected. My mouse is connected. We're cooking. I'm figuring it out. Yeah, it's been interesting. Oh, what have I done here? Okay, I moved this so that it's... Yeah. Will you resume building the shell? Hey Bash, you got me to go back to Emacs, which sucks because I've lost all my old configs, but it's great to see how much it's improved. It's really nice. It's just nice and simple. You get the same workflow for everything. Like you don't gotta, you can have all these different little shortcuts, whatever. It's just like you're in your comfy little zone, you know? Nothing can hurt you here. Okay, we're back to square one. Just kidding. This wasn't working for some reason. Can't remember why. It's a t-shirt from Cuphead. Yo, late night peeps are loving the tea. Okay, I'm gonna stand up my computer that way. Potentially dangerous. A little top heavy, we'll see. I'm too ride or die for Neovim. Alacrity, Tmux. What was it in Alacrity that was... I can't remember. There was something about Alacrity. Why I hadn't used it. I recently realized that Emacs truly is a solution to all my problems. That's what I'm saying. You guys, these are my alt accounts. I like making the joke of like whenever I get like any kind of positive feedback, I'm like, it's my alt. I have them programmed to type that at specific intervals. Little do you know. Right now it's not a script parser yet. It's just doing interactive mode. Yeah. What does a test suite say? Wait, y'all have tests? Oh right, yeah, for this. What was it saying? I think I need to do this and I need to see what the issue was because I do not remember. Oh, okay, wait. So this is ls non-existent, no such LSL. Okay. This is hard to test. Cause I think I guess we'll try it in, okay, hold on. We're getting a little chaotic over here. Okay. Where am I? Oh, did I go full screen? What did I do? No, where did I just throw? I just yeeted that browser window out. Okay, it's fine. I didn't need it anyway. We get brave again. What do I keep doing? You guys, I'm fat fingering, okay? Listen. Can you let me in? Let me in. Okay, so I gotta test what the actual behavior should be. So if I go into a shell and if I do LSL, no exist. Dude, okay. Oh, maybe it's because when I do that, it's supposed to like not print anything. That's the problem. I'm printing standard error, even when it's supposed to redirect. Okay. Shell, thank you so much for the 2 months. I appreciate it. Thank you. You guys, you don't need to sub today. I'm gonna be I'm not gonna be live for the next couple weeks, but I'll be back like mid-July. But don't worry, I'll be posting consistently on YouTube again. We got some long forms queued up, okay? Emacs in evil mode, why not just Neovim? Very different projects, my guy. Come on. No, I like that Emacs does so much. How else are you gonna explore what there is to out there, what there is to explore? Okay. So is it making? Okay, do I need to make a file? I need to do temp rat. Okay, and then let's and then I think I can actually just do that, right? Okay. So basically the problem that we're running into right now is, do I have notes on this one? Surely, okay. So today is June 20 something. June 25th. Me adding the year, like I'm gonna look at this more than a year from now. Okay. All right, so what we need to do, I don't know why I did that. We need to, it's writing standard error to standard out, Or it's printing standard error even if, okay. We can close that for a sec. How's the size of everything? Okay. Emacs Maggot was nice, but Neovim stole my heart. What did you just prefer the simplicity of Vim? Work was crashing and burning. No! No. Okay. Oh, I think it's here. Okay. Oh, right. I wanted to try and like properly debug this last time. The only thing is... Okay, where is this output? Where do you come from? Oh, if the result is okay from the output of this exec. Okay, an output has standard error and standard out. Is there, what type is this? It's a vector. Because I think I have it for both of these. Where this gets called somewhere. And we can do this one. std error is gonna be a file. Oh, if it's a file, yeah, it's either gonna be a file or it's gonna be std error. Same logic as that, we just copied it. Can I do a type check on that? Okay, maybe we get my debugger working. I have to get a test though for it to run. Wait. Do I know? I can run it headless probably. Okay, I gotta figure out how to debug this. Hope it's progressing well. We're doing our best. Okay, I gotta figure out how to debug this. If I'm doing, I want an interactive mode for the shell. Can I do like a headless debugging for Dape and debug adapter without opening GUI buffers. Run the Dape command. Okay, you show me. The dad, have a good night. Hi, Freaky. Hello, hello. Does output wait for the process to exit? I believe so. Waiting for it to finish and collecting its output, yeah. Rust GDB or Rust LLDB with a remote debugging setup. Okay. We have to learn how to remote debug. Otherwise, the debugs win. Otherwise, debugs take over. Okay, what is happening here? Okay, what are you doing? This is the answer. Debugging worked fine. Because in Go, you can use, oh my God, how do I even usually do that in Go? Headless, cron. Okay, I gotta actually read. I'm being bad. I was working in C. I'd simply be able to grab the option through the debug symbols, use GDB on the resulting binary directly. Oh, interesting. Use Rust GDB, Rust LLDB. What are we building? We are working on, I'm trying to debug something in my shell, but I've never done interactive debugging in Rust. So we are working on it. There is a chance, for simplicity's sake, because I've also been working for 11.5 hours. I may give myself grace to ask Copilot for an example for my program, but I'll read a little bit longer first. I don't think this is giving me the answers that I want. The tutorials, where have they gone? Are they gone forever? I see no AI coder I follow. I'm doing my best. Okay, this person looks like this could be promising. Do you have like headless? Powerful tool for interactive debugging. Okay, can you? Hold on. I have so much stuff on my desk. So there's this thing called Cursor, but I don't have Cursor for free. Where are you? There we go. Can I do? feel like I need to set, okay. How do I do? Debugging. Okay. Actually, I do have Z installed as well for debugging, but I know Dape works well. I just don't quite know how it works. It's a me problem. I'm the problem. Because I have, I need to LLDP DAP. I don't think I have any breakpoints, is a fun part. I don't think I have any breakpoints. I also, how do I quit it? Control C. Wait, was it CA? What was it again? CXCA. There we go. Okay, okay. You know what? We're gonna read, we're gonna learn. Guess whose mug showed up as the first search result? Who? It shows bashbunni as the first result? What, from me saying it just now? Oh, it's probably because I had a Rust setup video for Emacs. But that cannot overcome my issues. Do I have a profile? Profile.dev. Rust LLDB involves a few steps to enhance your debugging experience. You want to configure your Rust, okay, in your cargo.toml. Packages, dependencies. We're gonna do. Okay, we'll do LLDB, your binary, starts a debugging session. Breakpoint set, okay. Runs the program until a breakpoint or error. I think, but I can't interact with it, I don't think. It's kind of the problem. Can I? Maybe. We shall see. Okay, so I should be able to do, okay, let's try it. I should be able to do cargo build. Cargo build. And then I might actually do this. I'm going to do this in this. We're not doing the Pomodoro today. We are doing the Code Crafter shell. LDB, what even is this? Is it in here? Okay, we do LLDB that. Breakpoint set. Okay, I gotta figure out breakpoint set. How do I set it where I want? I don't remember. According to Emacs LSP docs, yeah, I think we're just making it in the, we're doing command line debugging. We're learning LLDB. We'll freaking send it. To debug this executable, I'll run rust LLDB. Oh, I only did LLDB, not rust LLDB. Hold on. Oh, this is so interesting. What happened? F and then line number. Okay. So I want, do I have to do an is it absolute path? What even, I don't even know where I am. I'm probably in the project root, I guess. Okay. We try. Let's add breakpoint F. We'll do source. Oh, there's no completion at all. Okay. Main.rust, line. Honestly, I need it at like line 145, I think. Okay. Can I run it? Okay. Oh, but I can't. Can I attach to? Wait, how does this work? Oh, it stops and then I can step through it. Okay. So we have to do, what was it? LS, we'll do LSL, no exist. That to temp rat, testing. And then that'll hit it. Okay, I need to figure out how to get the values. How do I print stuff in this? Pstock.contains. How do I print like variables and stuff? I need like LLDB cheat sheet. Hello. Bash is my best fully parasocial girl squad. Hells yeah. I gotta say, seeing someone work through their code and debug at this pace, it's just a breath of fresh air nowadays where everything has to happen incredibly fast due to AI. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, let's chill. Let's just chill and code and just have fun. There's no rush here. We don't got no place to be. I'm apparently signed out of GitHub. Inspecting variables, that's what I need. Okay, P variable name. Okay, I need P and I need, oh wait, what do I need? P output. Oh, LS cannot access. Huh, wait. Okay, yeah, wait, so it's std error. So I need, let's do P, let's do, wait, where did I even, P, and then it was what? std error buff. Oh no. It doesn't say if it was a file. Is there no way for me to tell? I think I might have to, do I have to print debug? I could print. But hey, this is helpful. Yo, let's freaking go. We are using Rust LLDB like a freaking champ. We're struggling, but we made it. We be making it. Okay. So this is say, not, don't know if this is gonna work. Will this work anyway? Can I do log? Is print line? Logging, Rust. I don't know. for debugging. How do I need to turn off debugging? Debug. Bash, since you're writing the code purely by hand, do you miss the LLM glazing? Should we be flooding your chat with things like great catch and you're right on track, your instincts are spot on? You know, I've never like done well with that kind of feedback. I think there's something in my brain that is like wired in a way where I'm like, I will assume that I'm doing well based on results and based on not getting critiqued for it. I think that's from like it's from my ballet years. Like, you're doing it right if
Gentlemen,
they're not, like,
we are dealing with someone here who has absolutely no life.
If I don't need the, oh, you're doing so great. You're doing great, sweetie. I'm like, I'm good. Just tell me when something's wrong and I'll fix it. Do you use Pass as your password manager? Man, are you talking about the exploits or what was it? The data? Yeah, wasn't it a data breach? Hold on. Yeah, right? Was it Pass? Wait, which one was it? Was it LastPass? I saw it on Mastodon. Yeah, that's brutal. Imagine being a freaking password manager and getting a data breach. You got one job, man. No, I keep my passwords offline, okay? I do not have cloud synced passwords. I do it the old-fashioned, inconvenient way of having it offline. Nah. Can't do it. Why does anyone use password managers? So that you don't have to repeat passwords? Yeah, I don't repeat a single password. I don't even know what my passwords are. Based on the conditioning from your ballet years, shouldn't you think you're not going hard enough until your extremities bleed, or in this case, your fingers? It's basically, there's a reason I'm pretty much always I'm always like teetering the line of, can I like burn out? I am just like that. Okay, we are, right, I'm print debugging, maybe. Yes, let's kill it. Let's do cargo. Wait, I can just, yeah, we'll do cargo run. Oh, it doesn't like that. Print add a what? Oh, colon. Okay, hold on. Yeah. Wait, what did I do? Oh, wait, okay, I'm breaking shit now. It was this one that I need to add a semicolon. Guys, I got a new keyboard, okay? We'll blame it on that. Can't read. I will say, dude, why does macOS feels miserable these days? It is crazy to me to like tab to an application. Like, I don't know, have tiling window managers just ruined me, but I expect that if I tab to an application that my cursor will follow me, but it doesn't. Like, if I have multiple displays and one of them, I tab to an app that's on my other display, I want my cursor to also be there so I can do stuff. Honestly, it's been downhill since Snow Leopard. You know what's crazy is the spotlight search. I know it's bad. I know that some people they talk about, what is it? There's some other like third-party thing that a lot of people use that they like. I don't need all that. Like, give me D menu, like we could chill. We could be chill here. But I'm like, I just need to open my apps. Like, what else am I using? I'm not using Spotlight Search for anything else. Like, just let me open my apps. It could not find Figma. It was like trying to bring me to the website, and then it was trying to find like Figma adjacent things in files. And I'm like, okay, I actually had to open Finder and then go to the applications and then open Figma and pin it to the dock. And I'm like, this is insane. This is like this is exactly character for character, the exact same as what I'm looking for. Am I on Mac? No, right now we're not on Mac. We're on my Linux machine right now. I have a Mac that I use mostly for like the graphics stuff and like video editing. Yeah. Oh, but Bash, what about those new laws? If you use touch, fingerprints / face ID, authorities can compel you to open stuff. Actual password, they can't. YubiKey uses touch. YubiKey uses touch, yeah. Well, it's a touch so that if it's plugged in, it doesn't just auto-authorize. That is crazy. Wait, Onus says, I had that happen too. I found a Stack Overflow post that fixed it with manual rebuild of Spotlight index and then reboot. That's crazy. Oh, Pass is a CLI password manager? No, I don't use a CLI password manager. You can set YubiKeys to have pins? You can. Yeah, this is true. I think you have to, if you change anything with the configuration of your YubiKey, you have to use a pin. Once you use a tiling window manager, there's no way back. It is, honestly, it ruins lives in the best way. All right. Wait, how do I... Yes, my backlight is back. Okay. LSL no exist. We'll do that to rat testing. Okay, not using a file. Why is it not using a file? Okay, that logic is bugged. All right. Okay, so it's hitting this for some reason. Redirect if some. String from, oh God. Okay, I want to set, you know what? We're going to keep debugging with Rust LLDB because I think it's dope, but we're going to cargo build first. We're going to Rust LLDB. And then we're going to do target debug code crafter shell. We're going to set a breakpoint with the file main file is going to be, and then we're going to do at line, let's sum index string from, remove the file name, remove that. So I think I actually need it maybe on line 98 and check what out path is. Okay, can I really want to like paste in this freaking thing that I keep doing the same thing. Okay, and then I want, was it B? B? Temp rat testing. Okay, well that's right. So this is getting, that is working. Unwrap, unable to open file for writing. But then this isn't. How is it ending up here? Okay. What is it? Can you do next? Oh, wait. Yeah. Let some index. Can I do p index? Oh, it's not there yet. Oh, wait, where am I? Oh, I'm still in, wait, I'm still in the function? I thought that was saying that it was, oh. Wait, what? It's returning none. Oh, wait, is outPath out of scope now? If let some, wait, hold on. So it's here. If let some index, let outPath. Why isn't, oh my God, did I miss a return here? Expected string found option string. Oh. No? What do you want from me? It should be some. Oh, I see. Is that dot unwrap, I guess? Oh my God. Dude, that's probably what the problem is. Why is it caps? Oh, there we go. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna guess that that's actually what the problem was. Hold on. Cargo run. Actually, I should probably update some other stuff too before I do this. Whatever. Whatever, this might work. This may work. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. That's actually huge. Clippy. Freaking love Clippy. I want a t-shirt that just says Clippy. People will be like, oh, is that like Word? And I'll be like, no, we're not the same. You don't know me. Actually huge. Also, remove the file name. This isn't good. Wait, this is, let me update this to be, it should be that's getting removed. I should double check also actually what index is. Just for visibility here. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Okay. I need you there, but also I need you. Oh yeah, it is 98 still. Okay. And then we run. And then we do our little thing of it doesn't exist. Resend the standard error to like nowhere land. Actually, we could just send it to dev null. It doesn't matter. Okay, and then we can do v is outPath. Dev null. Oh, wait, that's not what we're looking for. Sorry, it's v input. Oh, can I do v like, can I get the nice. No exist. Okay, so it's capturing everything up to, wait, 0 is, oh. Yeah, because that's the command, that's the flag, that's the other subcommand. Nice. This could work. Okay, this is making sense. Yay, and we figured out how to use Rust LLDB. This is all we needed. Redemption, thank goodness. Okay, this might work now. What did I do here? Oh yeah, debugging stuff. Yeah. I don't know why I'm committing the notes. Honestly, you know what? We send it. Let's do, this is just like a little chore. We're just adding, what are we adding again? Oh yeah. Debug profile for testing. whatever. That's fine. Yeah. And then I'll stage that and go. What are we doing? Is this a fix? Yeah. Return some. Okay. Yeah. Okay, okay. And then we try it again. Doing my own coding while watching this? Let's go. Let's go. We got the comfy, cozy coding vibes going on. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. If it doesn't work, I'm going to cry. No! Wait, why didn't it work this time? Oh my God, because I left the print statement in there. No. And now it's in there. It's, wait, hello. Classic. You know what? AI could never. AI couldn't do this. They couldn't do this like, they couldn't do this like us. Nobody can do this like us. Leaving our print statements in there. Okay, let's try again. It's not cozy because I'm stuck in math versus CD syntax fight. Oh, frick. We did it! Yippee! Okay, I should probably clean up all of my to-dos, actually, before I fully commit this. I do feel like coding streams as background while you're coding, there's something so comfy and like reassuring about it, which is really funny because I feel like so many devs were like introverted, but then it's just like, hey, can we just like coexist? Can we just coexist while also doing our own things? You know? It's like, we just let's just not, we'll interact every once in a while, but like let's just all work on our own little thing. Okay, to do this is causing me pain. Okay, we don't need any of this anymore. This works. This. What other to-dos do I have here? To do this is repeated code. Oh God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Don't look. Don't look. We'll clean it up later. Yeah, you right past me. I can't do any kind of like cleanups during the during stream. Oh, it passes. I don't need to fix the test. Hello? I didn't need to run that again. Oh wait, did I just comment out the test? No, it works. Was it fail? Why was it failing? I think it was just, who freaking knows? Eventually return a message saying that the command is empty. Not sure this will affect the code. True. Redirect. Okay. This I don't need to do. We already have that. Yeah, you know what? The rest of it is sufficient. It's fine. Oh yeah, we're gonna use actually, you know what? I don't trust git add dot. I always be adding some weird stuff. Okay. Wait, what? The biometric hash in banking apps can be stored and replayed. That's crazy. Dude, companies aren't ready for freaking biometrics. Let's be so real. I do not trust them. You do not trust them with the biometrics. Ooh, append standard out. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Okay, so the goal now. Now it's okay, that's the one we're doing, MTS. I'll show you we're started. Did I write it? Okay, so what do we need to do here? Okay, so now I think there's a chance that I might need to where am I handling these? Right. Okay, so unlike a single angled bracket, which overwrites the file, if I have two of them, it adds the output to the end of the file and preserves any existing content. If the file doesn't exist, it's created. The file already exists, new output is just added to the end. You can also explicitly write, okay. Interesting. Ooh, okay. Oh, for get add dot, you can do plus D, and it prints what's been added. What is get add n? Does it make you confirm? For what's worth, I mostly commit through Maggot anyway, or like stage, I mean. Gio, thank you so much for the 100 biddies. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. According to DistroTube, Emacs is like its own OS. You have a program for managing Git. Yeah, there's Maggot, which is like one of the craziest, most loved packages in Emacs. I think broadly speaking. You can have everything. Like you can do everything in Emacs. It's crazy. You can have your calendar, you can have your emails, you can have like messaging, you can link it to like Slack and stuff like that. Some people have it linked to Jira and just have it like basically translate into org tasks. Yeah. Hi, Gingerbread. Hello, hello. Oh, right, get add P. Oh, wait, yeah, get add P. The shows what hunks in your diff one at a time, lets you pick what to add. That's what I used to do before Maggot. All right, you guys. All right, so here's the problem. Here's the problem with this current thing is that my standard out, so this is looking for, okay. Actually, you know what? Oh, actually, let me do this. Okay, so the problem right now is that redirect standard out. God, you guys, it feels so good to code. This is making me so happy. Okay, redirect standard out. What this is currently doing is it is checking specifically for a successful match. Oh no, okay, for redirect and overwrite. Okay. So I'm also doing a check for the angled bracket. Where am I doing the, I think it's gonna be higher up here. It's definitely gonna be at the beginning of eval. I think, is it tokenized inputs? I think it might be. No. Oh, is it wait, is it parse quotes? Okay. If last arg is 2, Okay. So I have some conditions here. Let's, I feel like I want this to be a, yeah, it's fine. Remove. I do need to clean this up slightly. But basically what I need to do is add it here. Is that I need another else if. The last arg is this. Then probably arg.remove arg.length -1. What are we removing? Oh, wait. I should have. Oh, I see. Because I think do I add it already? Arg.length -1. What is arg? Where is arg defined? Right. Okay, so these are characters that I'm adding to arg, and then eventually that gets pushed to args. Okay, so I'm basically removing this specific character. So basically we are indeed going to yoink this. I am going to add a little comment here for future me so that I don't hate everything. Okay, remove this special character. Yeah, that is one thing. The terminal environment in Emacs is not as good as it could be. It's a bit slow. Not great. Like the performance and stuff, not as good. Are you judging my to-dos, Cave? Okay. Remove this special character. So I'm handling that now. Push arg string. Okay. Okay, so I'm basically condensing it. All right. Oh. Yeah. Okay, we'll see. We'll see. Okay, wait, push arg that. Is this gonna? One issue is that this logic might not work anymore because there's a chance that this is gonna push an angled bracket when when we see the first one, so it's not gonna satisfy any of these conditions. Yeah, it's not going to satisfy any of these conditions. Wait, always arg splitting if needed. Arg.chars.last. Where are you used? Arg push character. Okay, I might need to close this so that I can actually read what's going on here. Interesting. So I could do something like this where I check the next as well. There's a chance I might have to do something like this down here. Where I have to double check that it doesn't have, or yeah, maybe I don't even need this part, but I just check if it, So let's see this. If let some next is okay, so if it's that, we want to yoink. Okay, I really need to make this into a function. Okay, and then arg is gonna be, what is arg again? It's like a string or something. Oh god, it's gonna be what? And I literally forget. Okay. But I need it to be mutable. Oh wait, I think, do I put it here? Hold on. Guys, this is how long it's been? Okay, so if I remove it from arg, so I'll do that. The code, I know, dude, the code duplication is terrible. I've been putting it off. You know what IDE this is? This is Emacs. Oh, just reminding you to put a to-do in front of the comment. Okay, wait. I think I might have to draw. Things because my brain is very visual. Give me 1 sec. Okay, so I have blah, blah, blah. I have this. We're either going to have something before. That's going to be a 1, a 2, or another one of them. Otherwise, we don't care. If we could have something... We could also have nothing, like nothing, where it's standalone. Sorry, yeah, before. Might get another one of them after. Anything else after, I don't think usually makes sense. With 2 instances, it was fine that I hit 3 in my brain. Yeah, that's part of why I'm like, okay, I gotta clean this up. Arg.remove, arg.length 1. I'm gonna have to add args in here as well. Oh, thank God. It knows what I want. If there's, wait. Oh, I see. It's, yeah, it's because it's already borrowed as mutable. Okay. Hello? Okay. I might, okay, hear me out. You know what? Maybe we draw it out. Okay. Because I'm trying to get better at like planning things before just like sending it. Okay. So basically I have something where I remove from arg. I can replace that in there. But basically with the current logic, so if there's no special quotes and we see the first one, the next thing we're checking is the before. which is with the last arg logic. We check that for a 1, we check that for a 2. We could actually, because we need to be able to handle this on its own, this angled bracket, because there's a chance that the next one isn't an angled bracket and it just needs to be handled as a normal angled bracket. So we need to be able to check, I think it's easier to just do this Kara's next check and handle it right then and there. Okay, and then we do next check. Wait, I know that I could peek it, but I can just handle it, I think. I think it's fine, because I think if I handle it, it's just going to be, yeah. Okay, check, and then handle. We'll just see how we go. Programming for Bitcoin, how can I start? Try to make YouTube content. You have to accept that you're gonna just post stuff. Just post stuff, you'll get better with every video. It's like a lot of kind of upfront work because you're gonna post into the ether for a while. But your content gets better with time as long as you keep looking at ways you can improve every time. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm actually not gonna include this at all. I'm not gonna include that at all. We have this, this is gonna be, oh, you know what? I feel like it'll add clarity actually if this might be, it's fine. We are going to do redirect, and it's going to be either standard out, standard error, or it might possibly be overwrite, or sorry, append. I don't know if you can append. Can you append standard error? Oh, you can. Okay. Okay. Append standard out. Do I want to just? Yeah. Okay. Whatever. We'll keep the append standard error. We'll wait on that one until we actually implement it this next time. Okay, is my formatter not going to format? Okay. It's okay, I didn't need that to format anyway. What's the issue here now? Okay. So basically now we have to have some condition. What do you belong to? Where's your friend? Okay. This is so insane right now. Okay. I need you to go away. All right, so this is going to be in the case that it is redirect. We are overwriting. We want to, here we're going to check the next char for potential append. So we're going to do that. If it is that, then we're actually going to do arg.push. Next, we are gonna do their whole remove thing. We're gonna do remove from arg. And then this, I also need a string. It's gonna be the okay. And this will be backside and mut string. Can I know that there's a way for me to make, like, I want this to be a kind of string. All of these. Oh, but I can't. It's gonna have hello. Wait, but I want it, okay. I don't think I'm doing this the way I want it. I want maybe like a redirect. Okay, I want a redirect that I want to have like maybe constant for, maybe it's not an enum that I'm looking for then. Hold on. Standard error. Standard, I think, okay. Nice. You streamed to almost one person yesterday. It was a huge success. Let's go. I don't implement the from string trait for that. I might. Let's see. Direct standard out, append standard out, append. Oh wait, we're not doing that yet. Okay, let's look at the from string trait because I don't remember Rust. Right, didn't I do that with, isn't there something that I did with, is that not in this project? Strum, you can remove the tedium. Okay, wait, I gotta look at some of my other projects that I've worked on to give me some, we need a morale boost here. Oh, this is the first one. I mean, I don't think I did anything with Serde here. Oh, maybe I did. Rename. No, this was for like something else. This is not what I want. Drives from string. Alpha, beta, parse. Oh, there's a derived from string, a derived macro. Partial EQ. The generated code will be more efficient than a simple match. Interesting. Okay, so maybe I'll try this. We'll do derive, and we're gonna do, I think it's just from stir, right? Yeah. So we do that, and then we have here, I can do that enumeration. Rename. You can set rename or alias. Rename is a single variant of an enum. This replaces the name of the variant, overrides rename all. Does not replace the name of the variant. Limit number of alias. Sells multiple strings to serialize into the same variant. But can I get it back? Actually, you're right. I think like two string, like two string rust. As a string. Do I have to do all that? Implement display. I feel like there's a less verbose way to do this. When did there was one of my projects I did this and I can't remember. I don't think it was a load balancer. No, because I didn't do much on this one. Okay, wait, so I can do, okay, hold on. So do that, I'm doing this for as string. Wait. No, that's not it. Never mind. Sometimes they have like a built-in that'll auto do all this for you. Some of the boilerplate stuff. Static, string. We will go with oh, that project shall not be mentioned. Yeah, me getting sick of writing a freaking load balancer. Me being like, I don't want to, why am I doing this? This ain't fun anymore. It's just taking my joy. All right, that, and then we can do redirect. I feel like I could honestly make this a lot shorter, the naming here, but hey. And this one is gonna be... Okay, so now we can use the redirect. We can do... Let's see. Okay. we will do push arg redirect. Can I just do like 2-string? Oh, is that? Okay. So now let me just write some comments here. So we're gonna push the redirect carriage, the list of args for splitting later. Why are you mad here? Expected inlet string found in static string. I don't know. I don't know how to fix that. That's what Clippy is for. Oh, you know what? It's too broken for Clippy. Clippy's like, get your shit together. Clippy can't even do this right now. That's fine. We're gonna do arg if it's empty. Wait, arg is not empty. Where are we? Oh my god, I've made a mess. I think it's just this part that's messed up right now. Wait, what do you belong to? Oh, I do need another one of these. Hmm? Oh my god. We need all of them. Okay, there we go. I was like, wait. Okay. So if the next one is that, we are going to, this is a special combo. So we have to do the remove from arg, args. This one is gonna be append standard out. Otherwise we are okay. Overweighting. What is this? Otherwise. Override. Okay. If the next is a special one, I need to check if, oh wait, so this is the, we've definitely received the ankle bracket. Wait. The next one is that. Okay, so this is remove from arg. We do nothing. Okay. Hold on. This is a special combo. Ignore the current and next character. They'll be added as a string. So we drop next. If the next character is an angle, we don't need this else clause because this is always going to be the little angled brackets that they're looking for. And then this one, push arg, I'm gonna, for consistency, we are gonna do the, yeah, that. We are going to do standard out. Can I do that? Okay, it's pissed, it's fine. But I actually do want to figure out how I can change that. Unresolved, unlinked crate. Oh gosh. Uh-oh. Oh no. What is it even? Cargo install? Cargo. Add create. Is it just cargo add? Okay. Can I change this? Is it gonna get mad? Okay, wait. Aster. Can I do 2-string? Rest trait. Okay, it is a trait though, so we can do this. There. Okay, I think that'll work now. Wait a minute, where am I? Okay. Does that work? This is going to be a redirect. Okay. I think this is better. We'll see if this works. I got no idea. Guys, I'm gonna grab a snack. I'll bring some for the rest of everyone. Okay? Everybody gets a snack. Everyone gets a treat. That keyword sounds good. Okay, hear me out. I logistically cannot handle anything additional, but at one point I need to find my dactyl menu form. But at one point I would like to sell I was gonna give them away, but then I realized I could sell them. We can do basically it's almost kind of just like by donation. We do like a, what do they do? Like an auction kind of vibe. And all of the proceeds go to some open source projects. I feel like that would be cool. I do like Network Time and FFmpeg. Those seem like actually good projects to keep supporting, especially like FFmpeg because I do so much like video content online. So I think that I might do that. But I have the Q11 Ultra now. So they gave me this is like the wireless version of the keyboard that I had. So I put my keycaps on it, and these are actually using the Keychron Reds, the Keychron Silk POM red switches. I can do like a proper update on my keyboard thoughts, but I feel like after a bit of usage, I feel like for me in particular, I got very delicate little hands, okay? The Gateron baby raccoon switches required a little bit more force, and I'd actually find if I was gaming and stuff, I'd start to feel it. Not that it's like, it still requires like less force than a lot of switches, but I think these ones are 45, whatever the unit is. Yeah. Build a Rust program for a Twitch chat auction. Yeah, I'd have to, I need help. I'd need help from someone to like figure out the logistics of it. Just because it's not something that I can tackle right now. I might even be able to like, I'd probably want to ideally make it like a bit of a bigger thing as well. If I only have like 2 keyboards to auction off, like where's the fun in that? But I might see if maybe there's some other ways that I can even make even more of an impact. You should try cherry blacks. I haven't tried cherry blacks. What are they like? Okay, wait, guys. I gotta grab the I gotta go grab food, a snack. So I'll be right back. Enjoy. You guys can talk about all of that. Is she AI? Yes. Hello, I'm back. Here we will we can just chat for a bit actually, because I have a food. The ad breaks. No. Sponsored by Tailscale. Holy, yeah. They're the best. Everybody knows the goats. So nice and comfy, cozy. Oh my god, it's so spicy. I have this chicken chili from Costco. What can I say? Okay, obviously from Costco. I just put like the spiciest chili garlic crunch. Or yeah. And now it's very spicy, but it's really good. I like it when food makes me feel something, you know? I like spice. I think I would do really well on hot ones. Also, I'm convinced hot ones is rigged. It has to be. Were you at TwitchCon? I never really go to the Europe one, but I'll be at San Diego. What's that? The hot ones? Guys, we should repro hot. You know what? Okay, how funny would it be though? How funny would it be to do like a meetup or something at an event, have like a booth that's like a hot ones interview for just like normal people. Like go to a, you know what? I should pitch this to a tech conference. I should, you know what? Oh my God, you guys, hear me out. Guys, we can actually make this happen. I don't know what conference yet, but I can actually probably legitimately pitch that to a company and take over, like have a booth at their conference that is just hot ones interviews for devs and like streamed to my channels. Oh, but hot ones on the street would go hard. We do kind of need like the random that can roll up. Probably UXCon would be the easiest to take over. I mean, I think there's a lot. I think there are so many cons that like want stuff going on. I think that'd be very fun. We should do that. Are we vibe coding this or making it in Rust? We are making it in Rust from scratch, artisanal. The slow and fun approach. Uh-oh. You pulled up my repo. Does this one have beans? It does. It beans and corn and peppers and chicken. Delish. We can do this. Oh man. Can you give a shell project update? I haven't been tapped in. Honestly, it's been slow going, big time slow going, because I basically got myself a bit behind in everything in like May. So in May, I was like, yeah, we're building a shell, gung-ho, ready to rock. And then I realized that like the more I code, the worse I'm able to articulate myself. It's like I don't speak English anymore. So it's a work in progress, you know? I'm figuring it out. We'll make it. But yeah, basically it's been very slow going. So we're not anywhere that deep into the shell project. Kelly, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you. How's it going? Kelly sent us. K-Dog, what were you playing? Oh, get ads. Immediately ads. How are you tonight? I'm good. I'm eating chicken chili. And we're coding and it's peaceful. What is Mecha? Oh, wait. Is Mecha Chameleon the one where you paint? Is that the one where you like... You're like a tiny person and you run around and you have to like paint yourself into the environment so that the big guys don't kill you? Is that the one? The painting. Oh, I haven't played that one yet. I really want to start doing games nights again. I think it'd be so fun. Get the friends together, host some games nights. I have so many dreams. So many wishes. After like a month, my social skills drop off a cliff when I stopped doing interviews. Oh yeah, for sure. I'm glad I tweeted out. I was like, I feel like after a long day of coding, I'm like, is it just me or like you can't make you cannot talk? And it's like, yeah, it's not just me. It's not just me. We're all like this. I do play video games. Yeah, we haven't really done any video game streams in a bit just because my schedule's been crazy. But I'm hoping to start like delegating some of my tasks so I have a bit more free time. Well, like free time to like basically time to do the things that I want to do without working an insane amount. But yeah, I've been getting into Overwatch recently. Dude, I haven't played Valorant in so long. Valorant was always fun though too. Lendara, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. You made me look into Rust. Thanks for all the great content. Yo, you're welcome. You guys, I have more long form videos coming out soon. You've been neglected this past month on YouTube, but I promise it's like, we're so back. Okay. They're long videos. And they don't, I think they're pretty good, but you guys can let me know in the comments, like how you feel about the format and stuff. Yeah. We're so back. I got so many long forms ready for you. I gotta make some short forms for you, but you know, one step at a time. This is so nice, by the way. Just chilling on stream, just building. I have not played Resident Evil, no. Interesting, Owen. Owen says I don't even play that many games anymore. I feel like I get bored the more I play stuff. I feel like I like that though. Like sometimes at the, like, cause my schedule's been kind of crazy. I'll do like super long days and there's nothing more recharging or like, there's something in my brain is like, oh yes, it's the end of the day when I play a bit of Stardew Valley, which is like such a boring game, but it's so fun. Yeah. Sometimes you just need like a couple days in Stardew. I've been playing GTA every day. Oh my God. You're like that's like, you're probably peak toxicity right now. I love to see it. I would love to see whatever you're posting on Twitter. Dude, I feel like GTA brings out the wildest things probably. I play Team Fortress 2 with my kids. Ooh, I haven't played that one either. Not even wholesome AF. Oh my gosh. Classic. Maybe, yeah, it's the other way around. It's like the people that play like the worst, most like dehumanizing games of all time are like the nicest. 30 minutes is about what I average on video games now. I remember wanting to go pro in Counter-Strike. Yeah, I don't play video games that much, but sometimes I need it. I do really like it as like a social outlet, you know? But I've been too busy lately. I'll play it every once in a while just as a little reset. I've never played GTA. I do think I would really like it though, but I've never played it. I've also never played Minecraft. I don't even know what the point of Minecraft is. I do have a framework. It's nice. It's good hardware. Fuck. You guys, it makes me so sad that hardware is getting so expensive. You know what? Okay, you guys, can we put our tinfoil hats on for a second? Are you ready? Can we jump into a conspiracy land for a minute? Are we? Yes? Okay. Okay, good. As long as we're all in it together. So I think AI jacking up the hardware prices is a way to try and make people, it's like a way to try and take away ownership from people. I think it is intentionally making it harder to like self-host your stuff because there's becoming more awareness around all of that. And I think it's intentional. I think it's intentional. They don't want you owning computers anymore. They're like, you can rent our server. You can rent our GPUs so that you can run your own agents. You know, like for real. I think it's all a big conspiracy. No, I'm just mad because it makes it harder. I don't like it that it's now harder than ever. Well, not than ever, but than in recent years to self-host. I started learning coding through Minecraft in the Kerbal Space Program. A lot of people started learning coding through Minecraft, even like self-hosting their own Minecraft servers and stuff. I was never against AI until they jacked up the prices of everything. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, what? Actually, only some hardware is expensive. Motherboards have crashed in price because there's nothing to plug them into anymore. 50%. Wait, really? What do you mean there's nothing to plug them into anymore? Just because you're paranoid doesn't mean they're not really out to get you. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm grasping at whatever ones. I'm like, I know you all are up to something and I'm going to figure it out. We'll figure it out, whatever it is. I know I'm looking at like, I got a MacBook Pro from 2013 and another one from 2010 and an old Lenovo T480 with a dead CPU. I'm wealthy. The only thing that's kind of annoying though too is like the memory, like RAM models are different now too. So it's like, I think I have to double check, but I think even like for my framework, it's a different kind of RAM than what I have in some of my old guys, the oldies. What am I supposed to do with their memory? I'm in buying busted laptops, putting new batteries in them. Voila, new life. Yeah, honestly. Well, I actually wasn't. So I have the frameworks that I've gotten. I have another one that I've got before. But even with the frameworks, like I wasn't going to get one because I was like, oh, I have an old Lenovo T480. That'll be fine. And then I realized like it is so slow. I think the CPU's like dead. It's dead. DDR4 versus DDR5. Oh no. Evil. I do think though my old laptop is still kicking. Maybe it needs fresh thermal paste. I don't know anything about hardware. I'm just like, it broken. I know that thermal paste, you put that down before you, what is it called? It's not mount the CPU. Before you attach, you seating the CPU. You mount the heatsink, you seat the CPU. Thermal paste can dry out or pump out in the CPU while start overheating instantly. I don't think I can remove that CPU though. I don't think you can, like, how do you do that even with I think it's soldered, isn't it? Don't they solder CPUs? Yeah, like what am I supposed to do about that? Nail polish? The cooler on top of the CPU isn't soldered. You guys, if you want, I could get chat to help me fix my T480. We can do this together. I will follow chat's instructions. And then we'll see if it works. I'm from Canada. A mansplain pass? Hell yeah. Yes. Yeah, the T480 is soldered, right? So you would just replace the paste? Yeah. Exactly. No way. I live in Canada too. We're everywhere. You know what? There are like 5 Canadians total in the world. Like 5. And they're all online. Listen. It's like every other content creator that you meet is Canadian. It's so funny. Chronically online. Yeah. What is this distro? We're on NixOS. Got to do something during those 7 long months of winter. Yeah, you're right. It's true. Good thing I like winter. Do I speak French? I do speak French. Wait, what? What do you mean 3080s are under 400? What? Guys, okay, is it? I feel like 5 years. So my stream PC is 5 years old. I feel like it's so young. It's in the springtime of its youth. Is that like, some people are like, would replace it. I want it to live forever. Am I, like, is 5 years a long time for a tower? The drives are obviously newer. Towers can last like 10 plus. Yeah. Dude, towers are like the ultimate economical computer choice. I built mine in 2020. It's still going strong. Yeah, I haven't had any issues with it. It's great. It's on 16 gigs of RAM. I don't know how it does what it does. Okay, I will say though, it does die a little bit when I try to play Overwatch and stream on it. But, you know, what can you do? I want to change to a framework laptop though to be portable. It is nice to have the portability. Yeah. It's hard. It's hard to, like, I don't know. I do know a lot of people though will just have like a pretty whatever laptop and just SSH into their home, into like their home desktop thing, and then everything's running on that and you don't have to use any of the resources on your laptop. Like, honestly, kind of fire. Hey, Shot. I haven't seen the stream for a while. How's Learning Rust going? It's going well. I'm a bit like, I don't know how else to say this without, I'm sorry. Okay, but I'm a bit rusty because I've been a bit distracted. Tailscale is great for that. I know. I love them. The easy peasy mode. Tailscale is the GOAT. They make it so freaking easy. But yeah, I'm enjoying Rust though. It's been a really fun like change of scenery. It's really fun just being in a different language with very different yeah, I don't know. Different way of doing things. It's nice. Everything should have Clippy should be everywhere. Hello, how are you doing? I'm good. How are you? That's true, Corvette. Corvette says hiking and camping kills the bandwidth when trying to SSH heavier apps. Hard to run commands even on 5G mobile data. You're right. All right, let me finish my chili and get back to a little bit more coding. How long have I been live? 2 hours? Wow. The time has been flying. I'm having so much fun. Just got done fixing AI generated code for 14 hours. Oh, hi everyone. Oh man. I found some interesting, I actually found some interesting ways people were using AI. Like I think with sufficient guardrails, you can probably get some decent outputs. I definitely don't, like I think that at work, it makes so much sense to just be using AI, especially like if your employer is encouraging it. I think the frustrating part, I just don't love that it's like these companies that are profiting off of the free labor of others, you know? But what are you going to do? What are you going to do about it? Every time I said this is a reasonable use of AI, I've regretted it. I think, okay, so I learned that there's a difference between, what was it? Analytical AI versus generative AI. Generative is when it's like, you know, writing code for you or, you know, writing stuff for you, like creating images, whatever. That's generative AI. Analytical AI or analysis AI, I don't remember. It was something like that. Okay. That one is where it's basically using AI to like summarize and aggregate like data. You know, it's just like using AI to make large data sets more accessible. I'm like, yeah, this is sick. We love that. I love analytical AI. Listen, I forget the name. Analysis AI. The one that analyzes. Love that one. Generative AI. Okay, we gotta take the foot off the gas a little. You know, reel it in. Reel it in. Not everything needs to be AI generated. Local AI over my Orgrom database is the current project. Ooh, okay, see, that sounds awesome. What? Analytical AI is regularly wrong. If it's a rat style LLM, it's too verbose and time consuming to pay attention to its output. I don't know that that's true. Did you ever work at Blizzard? That is so specific. Did you work at Blizzard and you think you recognize me? Like what brings on that question? Or are you trying to see if I worked with Pirate software? The analytical AI reading this right now is probably conscious. Yeah, it's getting an ego. It's getting an ego right now. Yes. Just chatting and eating chili. All right, I can probably put this away in a minute. All right, people. As a CS student, should I learn Go or Rust? Ooh. Okay. Honestly, I feel like you should check the syntax of both of them. Try both of them. See which one you enjoy writing more. I think you can also look at like job openings, see what kind of jobs are available kind of in your area and or just in general. Like which one is the better one to sink more time into based on job availability. All right, you guys, we'll do a tiny bit more coding. Okay, so I was working on the append standard out. What is push arg? Oh. Does that work? Yeah. Okay, no errors. I don't know if this works though. I could add a test. Let me add a quick little. Well, because sometimes you get regressions and then you're like, oh shit, I don't got the sweep for this anymore. Okay, we'll do oh, this is gonna be such a pain to test though, whatever. Actually, I don't want to do that. I don't feel like writing a test. I'm gonna be lazy. We'll just try running it. Let's see what happens if we do. This is wait. Do I have anything in here? I'm going to do that to hello.txt. We'll cat hello.txt. I don't have any tab completions here. Oh, wait, I got to bring 3 back over here so I can see y'all. That ad you made was crazy? What do you mean? Crazy how? Write the test, yo. You'll thank yourself later. I don't wanna. Yeah, I'll put a to-do here. Redirect. I'll put tests. It does help. You're right. Okay, so cat hello has text in it. So now I'll try and do echo hello. And we'll make it double to hello.txt. Oh, shit. Oh, damn. Oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wait. Remove from arg. Oh. We don't need to do all this. Push arg. Wait, if arg not is empty. What am I doing? Remove the special character. I don't think we need this. Push arg, redirect to string. I think it's just, I think we just do this. I don't need all that. That's this one. Yeah, because we haven't even done anything with it yet. I don't think. Wait. Redirect to string. Hold on. Because am I automatically adding it to the arg? Characters.next, arg.push. Am I doing arg.push anywhere here? No. I don't think I need that. This is gonna be, and this is gonna be, okay. We'll cat hello. Okay, so it has stuff in there, so we just need to cargo run this. And then we'll do the same thing again where we do echo hello. Can you guys even see this very well? I just realized I don't know if any of you are even watching me code, you know? Nobody's that invested, I don't think. Oh, frick. No! Uh-oh. Okay. Oh, I'm invested. No! What do I think of Fable? I can't use Fable. I'm not American. Okay. I don't know what I've done here is the problem. I think, okay. I think there's a chance that I'm not catching. I don't think, you know what? I don't think that I have any catch for this. I haven't added it yet. Hold on. I haven't added any condition to like check for that. Yeah, that's why. Okay, so what I want to look for is we need to either, okay, we need to get the position, redirect standard out. Okay. So right now we get, if we get a file path, it's going to try to create it. Does this open the file in write-only mode? It'll create it if it doesn't exist. It will truncate it if it does. Okay, listen. Don't judge me. I'm looking at what truncate means. I forget. Shorten. Truncate, meaning when it's a file. What does it mean, truncate? Truncate? What does that even mean? Oh. I see. Okay. So it's gonna overwrite it. It's gonna clear it out. It's gonna clear it out. Okay. So we might have to have a different, yeah. So to do, this nukes the file. Okay. So what we need to do is I somehow need to set, like, there needs to be some kind of flag. Can I just, what am I returning right now? So I parse quotes. You know what? I could have parse quotes return more than just a vector of strings. It can be that, and then it can be a redirect. You know what? We're going to do it. We're going to see it, what happens. We're going to live a little. Okay, and then this is going to be, if it's none, it's just empty. Oops. Sick. Wait, what? Yeah. Okay, and then I'll just have a little thing up here that tracks whether it's, if we're, oh fuck, we can redirect. Can't we redirect multiple things? Can you have multiple redirects? Well, you can redirect standard out and standard error. But, Hey, Sipper. Bring a heist in GTA while listening to bashbunni code. You'd love to see it. Let's go. What am I supposed to do here? I'm just a freaking girl. God damn. I'm just a girl. Don't make me do all this. Okay. What is this gonna, this will be none by default. Okay, we'll let it be none by default. Otherwise we change it. We redirect, we do that and redirect. Okay. Do I have to do this? Yeah, okay. Immute, oh, frick. Append standard out. What do you mean it's never read? What do you mean? What do you mean? Wait, whoa. Wait, this is this always gonna run? Where are we? Yeah. I think this makes sense. Why don't you ever get seen? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Assert equal, oh shit. Hmm? Is this what you want from me? Site work, yeah. Okay, where else? Where else are you freaking mad? Oh my god. Mismatch types level 932? Yeah, okay. And then this is gonna be redirect. Cannot believe applying. Maybe it's overwritten before being read. Huh. You know what? I think you're right. Wait. I think it's because there's no else here. If that. Okay, that is always going to happen. So that, I mean, that would have been a bug. Okay, now I think it's not, yeah, now it's not giving me that thing, so it's good. Off to the right start. Try implementing, oh yeah. Ooh, wait, now, okay. Wait, this is good. Why did you remove the remove from arg function and replace it with push arg on the redirect part? For this appending one, for this one specifically, this case, this is, we're consuming the next character. So we haven't done anything with the current character. And the next one also gets consumed. So basically, I think nothing happens. I think the only reason why the other two, these ones we remove it because it's basically there's a previous, like if there's a 1 or a 2 before the angled bracket, it's like a special combination. So it's like we need that whole combination removed. So that's why we remove it from those two. But this one never gets added. Like, cause it's basically you're checking the current one and the next, and you're consuming both, and you're not doing anything with them. So you don't gotta do nothing. It's been a while since I saw you, but it seems Emacs has taken over you. I've changed, kind of. Okay, so what I can do actually, oh my God, wait, this changes everything. Okay. So what I can do potentially, okay, brainstorm with me here for a sec. Because I think what we can do is now we have an enum with all the kinds of redirects that we support. Hello? Supported redirects. So we can see which redirect we want, then handle that. We do still need to split the content after the basically the special case, the special like sequence, the redirect directive. Okay, we do still need to split the content after the redirect directive to get the file name, but otherwise, I think we can just check. I think the step here is we return the redirect. God, what if there's multiple redirects? Because we'll have one for redirect to everything, I think. Okay, so we return a redirect. I guess we just check what kind of redirect, and that will dictate the like how we write to the file. And if we write out or cd error to a file, we'll say and or. Bye, Indy. Have a good night. All right. It is getting kind of late. I should probably stop soon. We took a chili break and it ate away all of our time. Okay, so this, for example, this, okay, here, the plan. Le plan. You feel? Okay, so with this could receive a directive. Then we get its string rep value to remove, to split the args, right? That means I can get rid of actually both of these functions and just make it redirect. Like it can just probably just handle redirect. Because it's the same thing each time, it's just a different string comparison. So this would just be like handle redirect or something. And then we would need it to return, what do we need to do with this output? We need to get the file name, and then also, we also need to know yeah, like how we're opening this file, but that's already in scope, in the caller. Okay. Huh. Could I do something like... Could I do something like this, actually, where I just do, like, handle, make it a function, and then we yoink the thing we were just at? Oh. Actually, I can just steal this whole thing, I think. We do that, but we make it different. Okay. Made it different. then this is no longer an input, is it? No, it is. It still needs that. And do we do and self? And then we can do that is equal to, is it self.toString? Does that work? Is that how we do that in this language? Okay, it's never used. That's fine. So then we go to this. Redirect standard out option. Okay, so here we can maybe do, oh my god, we're changing so much. This is dangerous. I've committed nothing. We can do redirect, wait. Redirect, I forget how to call things. Okay. What is to yoink? You steal it. It's yanking, like you copy it. Hashtag chili break. You know what? You're so right. That should be on a timer. I should just have a command that just has that on a timer. Every once in a while, it just goes chili break. A randomized number. And then we gotta all take a chili break. Alrighty. What else we got? Redirect handle, redirect standard error. Okay. Okay. So, the only problem is we have toString. We don't have, okay, redirect.handle. Oh no, this gives me a thing. Hold on. I think that works. You're gone forever. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, there's 40 errors in the code. What have I done? Guys, there's a chance. There's a chance this is where we've gone nuclear. There's a chance we've gone absolutely nuclear. Okay. Yeah, I think that's fine actually. This is fine. We're so fine. Yeah, it's fine. It's this. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna do it there. Can I, is this gonna work if I just, nice, okay. You know what's funny too is I could have just changed, I could have just done a search and replace probably. There's a lot of stuff I could have done actually to make that a little bit better. Wait, what's wrong with this? Oh. Wait, parse quotes. Oh. Oh, it's mad because expected string found unknown unknown. Yeah, about that. About that. We can't do that anymore. We gotta do let something. What is this? Text. Oh no, it's that probably. Okay. Okay, that is making it less angry, which is a win. Oh no, I can't do that. Oh my god, it's gonna do it for everything. There's definitely more of this is probably where the multi-cursor thing or something would be handy. Consider annotating redirect with derived debug. You know what? I'm gonna see if there's anything that's not the tests. Are these all the tests? I'll just get it to a redirect. Oh, I see. Derived debug. Is there a comma in there? I don't remember. Okay, now there's only 1, 6. Okay, I might get, do I trust AI to touch anything? I'm gonna try, will this thing run? Okay, it'll run. Let's cat hello.txt. Can I? I'll just delete it. Actually, I'll just, whatever, it's fine. We're gonna do, we'll do world. I haven't, okay, wait, no, I haven't, it's not ready for us yet. Hold on. It's not ready for us yet because I haven't actually changed how I'm opening the file, so it's not gonna actually do that properly. Yeah. You know what? This would be better named as like path. Okay. Okay, so the problem here is I think we need to do, let's brainstorm. We'll add a brainstorm tab here. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to actually handle the redirects. So option A is standard error. If it is redirecting, we need to write to a file, overwrite. Okay, we need that for pretty much, actually, that also for a standard out and standard error. What about a vim macro? You're so right. God damn. You're right. I could have just done the macro. Kojo, can you get a grip? Can you get a grip? What are you doing talk about that in my chat? It's your warning. Okay. Standard out, standard error, and then we also have the appends, which need to write to a file differently, but like preserve. Okay, so we need that. We also need, we can have, wait, how do you redirect? And we don't have that. Do you listen to The Yard or just a Lud fan? I used to listen to The Yard. They're so funny, those guys. Okay. Oh yeah, that's what we're doing. Write to file. Interesting. Oh, but what I could do is basically have... Okay, so I could do a match on redirect. What do you want? What are you mad about? Yeah. Okay, so we want for this one, we will... What we could do is we get a redirect path. The only problem is there's a we can append to standard we can do standard out and standard error. I'm not going to be able to handle that here. All right, you guys, this might have to be for another day. There's no way I'm finishing this on stream. And I need to think about it more, how I want to redesign this. A little bit. All right. Guys, I have officially been working for 13, wait, what time is it? Almost 14 hours. I'm done. I'm freaking cooked. There's no way. It's good night from me. Good freaking night. I am tired. Do I sing? I don't sing. You did great. Thank you. It was very fun. You haven't even been working for 3. You're so right. The streamer not streaming. What's even the point? All right, let me get back to the other device. That was very fun and cozy. Love that. Yippee! That was nice and chill. 14 hours. Okay, maybe 13 and a half. Yeah, not, you know what? I'm going to have better work-life balance. We'll get there. Normally, this is Toxic Bunny time. You're so right. We need more Toxic Bunny. She needs to make a comeback. Guys, this was awesome. It was so nice. It was so nice chilling and coding on stream again. Man, we love to see it. Oh, we have a friend online. Toxic Bunny doesn't blanket dude. I know. I do not have whatever prompts you to blink. I don't got that on the default setting. I don't have that on. It's not in my default setting. Hey Conpecky, we are ending stream right now. It was really fun to hang out. I'm gonna post. I'm gonna have a long form up for you soon, hopefully before Monday. I have a bunch of stuff I gotta do tomorrow as well, but you guys will be seeing a lot more content soon, thankfully. Wait, you should get your channel on people's websites as an ad. That would actually be so funny. Dude, that's a great idea. How do I do that? Join the Discord. Let me know. Let me know in Discord, okay? There is, in fact, a Discord. Just so you know. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're going to raid Boca Bola, who's a friend of mine. So y'all can give some love to Boca, and hopefully it'll be good background for y'all while you're still coding. But yeah, no streams for the next little bit, you guys. Oh, also, I really hope I didn't miss any. No, we're good. Yeah, no streams for the next little bit, but I'll see you guys mid-July. Okay, bye. Go say hi to Boca. Goodbye, goodbye. Goodbye, people. Goodbye, YouTube. I'm dropping you. Good night.